Hello everyone. This is Shreya Jha, and in my team I have Shamili Mahindar, Shavik Dey, and Tana Kumari with me. Today we will be talking about the Python project on face emotion recognition system, which we made using OpenCV and DeepFace. So first, let us see the use case and flowchart. So here, uh, first of all, the image will be captured through the camera using OpenCV, and then it will be sent for face detection. After the face is detected, then the image will be sent to recognize the emotion, which will be done using deep face. Now, after the emotion is being detected, it will be sent for the final output. So here, first we'll be loading the face cascade classifier, and we will detect the frontal face. Then, after the video capturing is started, uh, the face will be detected and it will be converted to RGB format in grayscale form. Then the emotion is extracted in the from the region of interest. Then the emotion will be analyzed, and the final result will be shown. And here the program ends. So this is the overall algorithm which we'll be using in the program. So now let us see the requirements we need for this project. So first of all, we need OpenCV to capture the video. Secondly, we need DeepFace to recognize the emotion. And thirdly, we will be needing Keras, which is a part of TensorFlow. So the main objective of Keras is to provide utilities and layers to build and train models for image processing tasks and face detection. So for now here its task is to classify each face based on the emotion shown in the facial expression. Now let us see the code file. So here in the code file, first we will be importing OpenCV library named as CV2. Then we will be importing the DeepFace library. So OpenCV is used to detect face in the captured video, as I said, and DeepFace is the library used to recognize the emotion. It does not require machine learning and hence makes it easy for beginner level programs. After the face is being detected, then we will be loading face cascade classifier. It is nothing but a rectangular box which will be displayed in the captured video. Then by using deepface.analyze method, we will recognize the emotion. And finally, the resulting frame is displayed. Now let us see the output of the project. So now let us run this program file. So it will take a bit of time. So let's wait for a few seconds. We are almost there. Okay. So here, first of all, the video is captured through OpenCV, and as you can see, the cascading part is there. The box is known as hard cascade, and um, the the emotion which is showing there is because of deep face. So now let us see different kind of emotion here. The first one we can see it is the neutral face. Yes, and it is showing neutral, so it is alright. Now next move on to happy face. So this is the happy face and it is showing happy, so it's okay. So now next move on to a sad face. So this is the sad face and it is showing sad, so it's okay. So this is the surprised face and it is showing surprise, so it is all right. It's the fear expression and it is showing fear, so it is all right. Now again we will return to the neutral face. So this was the output of the program. So um, now we can end the program by clicking Q. So we can press Q and program has ended. So my contribution to this project was in the coding part and the hard cascading part. So now let us hear the contributions of my teammates.
Hello everyone, this is Tanya and my contribution to this project is I did the coding part with Shreya. Here I contributed by helping in the video capture part and cascading.
Myself Shomili Mahinder and I have made the PPT and also the use case diagram and the flowchart.
My name is Sovik Dey and I have contributed the topic idea and the presentation of every possible. Thank you.
So thank you. This was our project.